I wanted the power, I wanted the ambition of a D9 Cat shoved into this UTV, and that's what we got.
We choose Caterpillar because I think it's one of the top brands out there.
It's performed every way that we've needed it to. Time savings are huge. It gets to the muddy conditions, it carries the tools that you need with you, it can charge the batteries that you need. It's a lifesaver.
One of the things that I've been focused on looking at the UTV market, it's really tough when you spend $55,000 to $60,000 on a pickup and you can spend $15,000 on a UTV and get across the site and without wrecking your pickups.
It gets to the mud, gets to the ruts.
The traction's been second best to nobody.
Pretty rough terrain, pretty sloppy. I was pleasantly surprised by its ability off-road in the really sloppy stuff and the muddy ruts up there. The Cat UTV gets around it pretty good.
I had it out this morning and was going over some rocks and some rough terrain, expecting fully to get high-centered or at least hit the bottom of the CUV, but I didn't even come close, so I was pretty impressed.
So that diesel is pretty quiet. Where we work around livestock or wildlife, doesn't spook them. You know, they know it's not a big loud machine coming at them, just a nice purr.
The thing that I love the most about it is the quietness. It's super quiet. You can carry on a normal conversation with everybody in the UTV.
We like the longer wheelbase on it, which makes it smoother riding. The personnel hauling capacity on them, where we can haul 4 to 5 people as opposed to 2 or 3. And the size of the bed, which is pretty good size to haul all our supplies with.
The 5-seater sits 5 people very comfortably. We've had 3 guys on the back seat that were close to my size. They had plenty of leg room in the back, your knees aren't up in your chest, plenty of room and length in the seats.
We went with this 2-seater because we mainly haul pumps, generators, and then sometimes 800 to maybe 1,000 pounds in the back. And the machine needs to get where pickups can't. It handles the weight real well. So yes, it's very rugged and strong. Roughly 60 hours a week gets put on them. That's not friendly environment either.
The favorite thing on the Cat CUV for me, I like the color. I love the Cat color. And the Cat brand. I've been a Caterpillar fan for a long time.
The Cat compared very well to the other brands. It dominates the other models when it comes to serviceability. The parts availability, the durability, and the toughness says a lot. It was pretty impressive.